Basic sentences. This is an apple. These are apples. Please remember to like and subscribe. This is a dog. These are books. This is a car. These are apples. This is a tree. These are flowers. This is a house. These are shoes. This is a ball. These are hats. This is a bird. These are keys. This is a bike. These are chairs. This is a boat. These are pencils. This is a clock. These are glasses. This is a phone. These are toys. This is a spoon. These are stars. This is a cup. These are ducks. This is a fish. These are cookies. This is a bed. These are clouds. This is a mouse. These are oranges. Enjoying this free educational content? Please remember to like and subscribe.